Alright, logging in here sa Shangri-La The Fort. We're going to attend the Hong Kong Tourism Board event. And okay, enjoy the show, enjoy the vlog. Alright, we're heading to the ballroom. Medyo na late na tayo dahil sobrang traffic here in BGC. Let's check it out, yo. Di pa ata nag-start yung event eh. Hello. Kita ko yung outfit mo. Hello, hello, hello. So we have here a raffle. Sana manalo tayo. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Let's open it later. Hulog natin to. Sana mahulog ka. Ayan. Alright. Alright. Pasok ka tayo. Let's go inside. So this is for the 1 in a million fan event. And this is the rooms. Ay, thank you, thank you. Saan ba mga VIP dito? I can see some VIPs. Pero number 24. Upo muna tayo. Ito tayo. No, ito pala yung number 24. May upuan pa ba dyan? Ay, bonggels. May pangalan ko pa. Alright, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Shania. Hello. At hello, senyor. Okay, ganda ng party, ha. Let's see Mr. Rod Magaru. Ayan. Hello.
Hello, wow.
At I can see some familiar people here. Ganda naman ang mga damit nitong mga to. Oh. Ganda ng mga damit, oh. Oh. Buti na di ko sinuot yung salamin na yan. So, merong eco bag. You make your own eco bag. Magawa tayo. May design. Here's mine. Papaprint na natin to. Okay na to. Thank you. Ay, yung number pala. Pang pick up. Thank you. Let's check out the food. Siomai. Siomai, siopaw. Uy, sarap to. Dumpling. Pwede. Hello. So here's at the Dim Sum Station. At ito na yung aking styling ko. Ayan, check it out, Joe. Pwede na. And they have here some, I think this is Aperol yata, no? But pwede ko muna? Aperol to? Aperol? Alright. Meron silang gift kagad. Ang laman nito ay it's a fan ng Hong Kong Tourism Board. Jevan. Blow. So, wag daw magpakabusog.
Kaya sa Lawson?
Appetizer. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tiger prawn. Uy, grabe. Sige, sige, sige. Buti na lang. Panalo.
Kaso kayo nag-land. Patigay.
Tapos siomai.
Sabi siomai.
Legit to no?
Galing pang Hong Kong.
Ano yan? Yung siopaw, ano naman?
Parang walang laman eh. Tinapay lang eh. Ay, meron!
Siopaw yan eh. Ito ang vegetable.
I got that na eh. Yung yan, saka
Pork pala, pork. Pork yan, pork. Yan. Picture tayo with a lenticular tag.
Paatras mong konti, masyadong wide eh. Kaya
Ito.
masyadong tight.
Okay.
Hindi, walang masyadong motion eh.
Oo.
yeah. Oh, so ready. 3, 2, 1, and... Yeah.
Second shot.
Another pose, sir.
O yung motion na, yan.
Oh, ready. 3, 2, 1, and...
Yan.
Dahil tayo, nagpa-picture ulit. Asan yung beef dyan? Ito.
Then, ito.
Ay, okay to. Thank you, thank you.
video that a few months ago in November, when I had the honor of welcoming our 1 millionth Philippine visitor to Hong Kong, Miguel and Anna.
Grateful to be carrying this title, to be the 1 millionth Filipino visitor.
Then the kids jump for joy. We're like, ah, time for prizes, more Disneyland.
And then for our kids, of course, there's the theme parks. So we just walk around the city endlessly, get lost in the city. But then it's also easy to find your way back. Visit Disneyland and Ocean
Our
Park,
food.
which
Appetizer
we
pa lang.
weren't able to do last time.
Bango. Hong Kong milk tea.
Visitors from the
Sarap.
Philippines who loved and visited Hong Kong. And on the overall, Hong Kong received 44.5 million visitors last year. Their favorite Chan Plan and doing what they, a typical tourist would do, like take a picture at Victoria Harbour. And off the beaten track, other activities under story to watch out for the beautiful scenery of the outdoors in Hong Kong, including the whole video because we will bring them out later. So, and Chongqing Bun Festival at depth in showcasing the heritage and culture of Hong Kong. The lineup of international concerts,
Seafood soup.
and major sporting events, interactive flower displays, has recently launched a new museum.
Manang sarap itong soup nila.
May parapol daw ba?
Meron.
Trip to China.
Sa Philippine Sea. Pink yan. A newly opened attraction located at the
Dami rin tao dyan sa Pink eh.
We have made from the late 1890s to the early 1970s.
Picasso collection.
The exhibition is co-curated with Redemption. And our attractions are also joining the fun. Hong Kong Disneyland is giving a child play and stay for free offer.
Wow.
There will be a ton of visitors as well this year. And
Oh my God! Ang laki ng panda tsaka may pusa! Ang cute! Ang cute! Nakasila yun ba to?
thank you so much, first of all, for having me. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Alexa Ilacan, and I'm so happy to be here with you all tonight. Yes.
Wow, ito beef pala to, beef.
Wow. Artist, si Ellery. We're just chatting in one of our...
Meron ito na
I'm so carried away.
Quagra. Hatiin natin. Namnamin natin itong quagra.
And oh my God, I love languages to give yes. So,
Quagra.
I came home with a new luggage. Yeah. And honestly, the gifts you had me so excited. Aesthetic pictures. And you brought your photographer. Your personal. I'm training him. Very good. And are you ready for that?
Uy! Wala ka ng tokwa! Sino yun? Mananalo, mananalo!
Alright. Thank you so much. We have the ticket number. And if you win, I want you to feel like a winner and really show your appreciation our wonderful Hong Kong Tourism Board as well. The ticket number is HK 055.
Talo.
This side, are you ready? You feel like winners here. Okay, they're like yes, kinda. What about on this side of the room? Are you guys feeling like winners? Happy with
Fried
that?
rice with crab-filled scallop.
Or tonight,
Alright.
with the ticket, lucky winners, and thank you
Eco bag.
so much to all our sponsors.
Nice. Thank you.
Our prize for tonight. My wish for
Tayo na naman sa raffle.
they are 1 million trips to
Halo.
Hong Kong. They filled with joy, laughter, new memories,
Tayo sa kabila.
and adventures.
Hanapin natin yung ating lenticular picture.
Now,
Asan dito?
to celebrate millions
Ang dilim.
of joy and adventures that have unfolded and will be
Wala pa.
continuing to million party. Okay, and there we go. 3, 1, smile. Offering a toast. So first off, let's just hold it. I would actually want to invite.
Wow.
Sako.
Kuha ko na yung ano ko. Yan si Willie Revillame. Oh, wow! Wow! And that's the end of my vlog for today. Medyo puro events lang yung na-vlog natin, no? At maybe soon, pumunta tayo sa Hong Kong for a trip sa Ocean Park or Disneyland. I really want to go back to Hong Kong kasi parang huling visit ko ito, parang 2015 pa yata eh. Parang ganun katagal na. Ay hindi, ang huling punta ko ng Hong Kong is 2019. 2019 ako nagpunta ng Hong Kong. Tumawid lang doon para pumunta ng going to Japan. Nag-Japan kasi ako dati. So, ayun yun. So, thank you so much kay Hong Kong Tourism Board for the invitation sa mga PR friends natin nag-invite, sa mga vlogger friends. Ayan, pauwi na kami na. Sabay-sabay na. So, alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. May take-out akong beef doon sa kakainan namin. Hindi ko kasi naubos eh. So, thank you so much. Shangri-La the Fort. Alright.